Hello student, welcome back to the course Master Complete Statistics for Computer Science Part 1. It is a course in probability and statistics important for machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, neural network and many other fields in which statistics is important. Now in this video lecture we are going to cover the structure and curriculum of this course, which will help you to learn this course in a better way. So let us go to the structure of this course. So when you search this course on the Udemy, this page will open. That is Master Complete Statistics for Computer Science 1, a course in probability and statistics important for machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science and neural network. Now after going on this page, you can enroll over here by clicking over here at whatever price the Udemy is offering. And before enrolling, you can also go through the preview lecture of this course. That is, you can preview this course, which will give you a brief idea about this course. Now this course include 21.5 hour on-demand video lecture, which will increase after some time because we are going to add some lecture also in the future. And you can access this course full time and for a lifetime. That is, you can access this at whatever convenient time you have, and for a lifetime you will be having this course with you, which can be accessed on mobile as well as on TV, that is on a computer. Now if you have a coupon, then you can apply the coupon to enroll this course, which will give you a very big discount to join this course. Now what you will learn from this course is given over here. That is the topic which we are going to cover in this course are random variable, discrete random variable, and its probability mass function, continuous random variable, and its probability mass function, and many more topics which are mentioned over here. You can see over here. Now what are the requirements to enroll this course? That is the basic requirement to enroll this course is knowledge of applied probability. That is the basic probability which you have learned in +2 level, that is in higher school, and the knowledge of calculus that also you have learned in higher school. If you have the knowledge of both this topic from the +2 level or from the higher school, then this course is for you. And if even if you have forgotten the topic but you have gone through this topic, it's okay, because I'm going to cover the basic of applied probability and calculus while solving the problem based on this concept in this statistic portion. So you don't have to much worry about this applied probability and calculus. That is, if you have studied even once in your life this topic, this course you can easily understood. That you can easily understand this course by watching the video. Now after the requirement, there's a description about this course which is given, which is saying what is this course is all about and why it is helpful and what is the scope of this course, which you can read. And the course actually contain more than 150 lectures, and it covers the topic like we have already mentioned, that is random variable, probability distribution, statistical averages and so on. And there are total more than 20 sections in this course, which is mentioned over here. And now who this course is for, that is who can study this course. Basically current probability and statistics student will be much more benefited by joining this course. Nowadays statistics is very important part of machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, computer science, any engineering field you take, it is important. So student of all this field can take up this course, where statistics is a prerequisite. And anyone who wants to study statistics for fun after being away from school for a while, that is, if for a fun also you can study this course. Now the course content is given over here, as you can see. That is in the introduction part, there is an introductory lecture about this course, that is Master Complete Statistics for Computer Science Part 1. Then there's a course structure and curriculum which you are going through just now, and then the random variable definition is started, from which the actual part of this course is starting. And there is around more than 21 or 22 sections given. Each section starts with a concept, as you can see over here, and then we have a solved example based on this concept which you have learned over here, so which will help you to understand this concept in a better way. So there are ample amount of solved problem based on each and every concept as you move on. Like in continuous random variable also, first concept of continuous random variable is explained and then solved example based on it is given below. So you can go through all the concept in each and every section and then cover the example, which will help you to understand this course in a better way and which will also help you to master this course. Now this course covers the advanced topic in statistics also, so which is also useful for the research work in statistics. So these are all the section which you can go through. So end section is born on probability. So total more than 150 lectures are there in this course, which will take around 21.5 hours to complete this course, and it will be helpful for your academic purposes, for your future career purposes, anything wherever statistics is important. So hope so you have understood the structure and curriculum of this course. We will meet in the next lecture, that is random variable definition, and from there on we will start the concept related to this course and solve many more problem to understand this course in a better way. So enjoy this course. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.